Sorry guys, I pressed the wrong button. But these are annuals that can be grown inside, and they were just amazing. Amazing. Elephant ears, lime hostas. And then this is a dahlia coming in nicely. We had to stake it because it was starting to lean with all that water. And then these elephant ears, they had some damage from a hailstorm. So right after the walk, I cut the split ears. You can see just a little bit of this one, but gave her a little more time in the sun. They are just presenting so nicely. I am so proud of them. And this, okay, so this is how they come out for the burgundy ones. And then it's that pale for color. And then in a moment, it'll be this dark. It's amazing to see the artistry of nature. Another distressed plant for $2. Brought right in. Brought right up to snuff with the tender loving care and part in the air conditioner in my shadow. Shade garden here, really taking off. And then right up here is, we don't typically have guests or anyone up on the entrance from the front door. So here is our porch that also houses some come out and relax invitations. Now, these guys enjoyed all the rain. These guys looked at me like, we're not getting it. We're not getting all the rain, so we need you to do something. And then, so that happens in a garden. Additional lettuces and herbs. So this is a hybrid kind of porch, in that it holds most of my house plants and some curb appeal, while still letting us do our edibles at the same time. And then there's a YouTuber who does videos for queens of over 40. I can't remember her name right now, but she talked about these staging opportunities where you're have a slice of cake or something out. So I fell in love with that thought and obtained some on Amazon as well. Our last but not least, we'll see what happens with the butterfly bushes. I'm gonna let them go ahead and bloom, but we'll see if we'll make these guys standards and then fill in the base with maybe some more of those hibiscus. But that is the status of the Gardening in 6A garden. It's not just the prep for the garden walk. It really is the opportunity to enjoy your home, your neighborhood, and be an encouragement to the community. Our garden is just a reflection of one of many homes where homeowners love where they live and want to enjoy their outdoor space as well. So be encouraged in your garden. I hope if you're participating in a garden walk, you have good weather. If not, enjoy playing in the rain for those that are able to come out. And then next year promises to be an even more fulfilling gardening experience. I'll leave you with this dahlia because she just winked at me. What? Wow. All right, guys, have an amazing day. Bye-bye.